We're at the beach.
We're at the beach.
It is 7:48 a.m.
There's an owl.
Where?
Fake owl.
Oh my god, an owl.
She's giving you a sign.
I know. 2 times today. I didn't. Anyways, it's very, very pretty. It's not as cold as I thought it'd be. And we're gonna go look for shells. And we have little shell bags.
I don't have my shell bag.
No, she has a better bag. She has to one up us.
No, it's not better because then all the small ones are gonna fall out.
Yeah. I like the color.
Think you're gonna find big shells on? No.
My melody stocks. I had to wash these like 3 times. Wave. Today, we got coffees.
Your mocha.
Ivy.
Hawaiian.
And I got vanilla latte from over there. It's so cute. I didn't know that was even a thing.
Lifesaver, bro.
This is actually really good.
And this is the view.
I might just get a stick and
Stunting on my cousins in the East Coast. Freezing.
I can't see nothing.
I chose the less aesthetic one. It's more homey. The aesthetic one looks scary and bare.
Intense.
Yeah, it was just like a big open room with tables. I don't know. I didn't like the vibe.
It isn't very home.
Swing set. Beach. Ivy's shoe came off. Crazy girls. I thought it'd be freezing, but now I want to go touch the water, so that's what I'm trying to do. Okay. Like Captain Jack Sparrow. You didn't insert the clip. Okay. I wasn't ready for it. Oh, I see it.
He's holding a board. He is. He's getting his hand. She found an artifact.
I did.
Clay's coming in.
It's ancient. I found a little like clay pulp thing in rocks.
There's a little shell butt.
There,
Shell butt. Shells.
There you go. They came back to get more coffee. So now we're waiting for a second round. It's called Freedom Coffee. Their second coffee. Second round. It's 10:53, so we drove for quite a while. And we got a lot of shells and rocks.
Some have been falling, but these are the ones that are meant to stay.
That's because she didn't bring the bag. We made it to the main street.
So many thrift stores.
There is, but we are hungry, so we're gonna find food. Well, we know where we're going, but we need to find it.
Logos and not.
It's called Little Beach. Oh, this is the thrift store I was telling you guys about. There's a lot of thrift stores. Made it. My sunglasses always do these lines every time. We made it in the cafe, and it's like a little retro. There's like a jukebox. It's so neat. Found a jukebox. I took her phone, so she has to sit there in silence.
That's what she should have told us.
Do we know any of these? Choose a song. We all got the breakfast combo, but different things. Waffle, pancake, French toast. See. It's very nice. It's big.
Sorry, I tilted it at the end.
We went to a thrift store and it's huge. I know, there's so much.
That's real silly.
We found a charm place to make your own bracelets and necklaces. So sweet and stuff. Choosing her charms. This is what we chose. Okay, we got our bracelets.
Clink, clink, clink,
Clink, clink, clink. Ah, pretty. Oh, that's smart. Twirl it. Okay. Wow.
Okay.
Wow. I'm at my grandparents eating chicken noodle soup. With butter.
Okay, these are my napkins for now.
Monopoly time. It gets very competitive. And we're also watching Hotel Transylvania. Alex looks really scared. I'm gonna zoom in on that. She's like, banker.
Okie dokie. See you at the campfire.
Advance the boardwalk.
50 please.
Well, gosh, well,
We can deal with it later.
You know, might be a little.
Thank you.
I sit in your bedroom.
Pizza slice.
We got Rice Krispies.
Just like Transylvania. Oh, Oh, there they are. You know, we have a couple of mixed families in the neighborhood.
There was a time when I was so broke.